Hi guys and welcome to InstaSwap Exchange. This is a tutorial on how to buy MKR in some simple steps. Exchanging your crypto has never been easier. Beforehand, let's take a closer look at the Maker website. Maker is a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, that launched its stablecoin called DAI in 2017. The MakerDAO was founded in 2014 by Rune Christensen. The MakerDAO aims to provide stability for its token, named DAI. The DAI token is a decentralized, unbiased, equivocated cryptocurrency with the US dollar. That means for every DAI token, you get back $1. And that fact cannot change. For that reason, they created mechanisms to support this continuous goal. These days, with hyperinflation being a theme, Maker Protocol is supporting the stabilizing of its token. The high volatility cannot affect its exchange value over time. This is the economic freedom that the protocol is promising to its users. The Maker DAO's governance consists of people from any side of the world. That means it is an open-source project. The participants of its governance are holding its governance token, MKR. The MKR holders are responsible for managing the Maker protocol to keep the stability of DAI and avoid financial risks. Now, we will show you how you can exchange your crypto in a few simple steps to MKR. Start by selecting the currency that you want to exchange at the You Send section. Then select MKR as the currency you want to receive at the You Get section. Our system will show you instantly the best available exchange rate. Now, simply enter the amount that you wish to exchange. You will be given an indication of how many coins you will receive. Press Swap Now, and you will be forwarded to the next step. Now, enter the receiving wallet address that you wish to receive your coins, as well as the refund wallet address that you will be sending the funds from. Enter your email address in order to verify your transaction by entering the 4-digit code that you will receive after you press Continue. Make sure that your cryptocurrency wallet addresses are correct and simply accept the terms and conditions and AML/KYC policy and press Continue. Make sure that you are not a robot to continue. Enter the verification code that you received in your email address. If you haven't received the confirmation code within minutes, make sure to check your junk/spam folder and press Continue. Send your funds to the generated address by copying the wallet or by scanning the QR code and wait for your coins to arrive. While we expect your funds, our system will detect your deposit and await for the required confirmations. Next, our service will exchange your coins and send you your desired currency to your provided receiving wallet address. And that was it. Your transaction has been successfully completed. For any questions or further support, do not hesitate to contact us at support@instaswap.io. Thanks for using our service. We are always looking forward to see you on instaswap.io.